Welcome to Let Me Know YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Good morning students. In today's class we are going to learn how to measure the various lengths, various volumes, various areas and various time conversions and time periods of given questions. Okay, see, my first question is 5045 grams equal to, so 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 5045 grams by 1000, it will give us 5 kg 45 grams. The answer is 5 kg 45 grams. Next question, 5 minutes past 3 in the afternoon is written as 5 minutes past 3 in the sense 3 past plus 3 plus 5. So 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 minutes more for 3. So that is 3:05 p.m. 3:05 p.m. in the afternoon. Next, 4 pieces of 75 centimeters were cut from a piece of 14 meters 25 centimeters of fabric. Find the length of remaining fabric. So total fabric is 14 meters 25 centimeters and 4 pieces of 75 centimeters, in the sense that will be 300 centimeters is nothing but 3 meters. So remaining fabric equal to 14 minus 3, 11 meters 25 centimeters. So the remaining fabric is 11 meters 25 centimeters. This question is very important. See, 12 men or 15 women can do a piece of work in 21 days. Find the number of days required to complete the same work by 6 men and 10 women. Okay. So here 12 men or 15 women can complete the work in 21 days. Okay. So 12 men equal to 15 women, that they will complete the work in 21 days. Next, from this 12 men equal to 15 women, we are going to get 1 man equal to 15 by 12 women, that is 5 by 4 women. Okay. Next, 6 men and 10 women, and in the sense we need to add. So 6 men plus 10 women. So 6 men, in place of men we just used women. 1 man equal to 5 by 4 women. That's why I am substituting that 5 by 4 here. 6 of 5 by 4 women plus 10 women. That is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15 by 2 plus 10. Just simplify this one, you are going to get 35 by 2 women. Okay. Now we have M1 is nothing but number of men for first one. M1 equal to 15, M2 D1 equal to 21, M2 equal to 35 by 2, D2 equal to how much, that we need to find. So the formula is M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. This is a very important formula. Just remember, M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. Okay. So men days. So 15 into 21 equal to 35 by 2 into D2. Next, 15 into 21 into, I am transposing 35 by 2 to left side, it will become 2 by 35, that equal to D2. So just do the cuttings. 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21, 5 1s are 5 3s are 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So D2 is nothing but 18 days. We require 18 days to finish the work by 6 men and 10 women. Now at last 6 men and 10 women can finish the work in 18 days. The next question. A bus starts at 9:10 a.m. from Delhi and reaches Chandigarh at 4:20 p.m. The total time in this journey is, so journey is nothing but end time minus start time. End time is 4:20 p.m. and start time is 9:10 a.m. So just 4:20 p.m. you just convert it into 24 hours clock, that is nothing but 16:20. Okay, and start time is same as it is 9:10. So by subtracting this we are going to get 7 hours 10 minutes. See, 20 minus 10, 10 minutes, 16 minus 9, 7 hours. Okay, the journey time is 7 hours 10 minutes. The next question. A train leaves Delhi at 7:40 evening and reaches Mumbai next morning at 11:10. The total time taken by the during the journey is, taken by train during the journey is nothing but end time minus start time. So end time is nothing but 11:10 in the next morning. So that's why plus 12, you need to add plus 12 to that time. 11:10 plus 12 because of next morning. Next 7:40 in the evening. So don't convert this one into 24 hours clock. If you converted this one into 24 hours clock, you have to add 24 here. Okay, I'm adding 12, that's why the time is in 12 hours clock only. Okay, now add these two. So 11:10 plus 12 is nothing but 23:10 minus 7:40. So see here how I'm subtracting time. So here 23 hours 10 minutes, 7 hours 40 minutes. That's why I'm just converting 1 hour from this 23 to minutes. Now 23 will become 22 hours and this 10 will become 70 minutes because that 60 is added to this minutes, 70 minutes. Okay, now 70 minus 40, 30 minutes, 22 minus 7, 15 hours. So that journey time is nothing but 15 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Next question. 12 men or 15 women can finish a work in 10 days. How many days will 7 men and 10 women can take to finish the work, the same work? 12 men or 15 women. Already we discussed like this problem, that is fourth one. Okay, 12 men or 15 women in the sense we are going to get one man equal to 5 by 4 women. See here the explanation. 1 man equal to 5 by 4 women. Then 7 men and 10 women, in the sense 7 men I converted into women's. 7 of 5 by 4 plus 10, that is nothing but 35 by 4 plus 10, that is nothing but 75 by 4 women. Total 75 by 4 women are there. So in the first work we have M1 equal to 15, D1 equal to 10 days. 15 women can finish the work in 10 days. 75 by 4 women can finish the work in how many days? That is a question. So here same formula, M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. 15 into 10 equal to 75 by 4 into D2. Now D2 equal to 150 into 4 by 75. Next 15 5s are 15 10s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 75 2s are 150, 2 4s are 8. Number of days required to finish the work for 7 men and 10 women is 8 days. Next, a man can do a work in 12 days working 8 hours per day. If he does 6 hours per day, what would be the number of days taken by him? So M1 H1 D1 equal to M2 H2 D2. Okay, this is another formula while they mention the time, working hours. So m1 d1 h1 equal to m2 d2 h2. m1 m2 are same because number of members are 1 only. d1 is 12, d2 is we need to find. h1 is 8 hours per day, h2 is 6 hours per day. Just substitute the values. So 12 into 8 equal to 6 into d2. So 6 I am transposing to left, it will become it will divide the 12 by 8, 12 into 8. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 8 twos are 16. So number of days required to finish the work is 12 days, sorry 16 days by working 6 hours per day. Next, a work done by 12 men or 15 women in 20 days. What is the time taken by 4 men and 5 women to complete this work? Okay, a work done by 12 men or 15 women, in the sense same ratio, we are going to get 1 man equal to 5 by 4 women, that we already seen in our previous questions also. So 4 men plus 5 women, that is nothing but 4 of 5 by 4 women plus 5 women. So that is 4 get cancelled, 5 women plus 5 women, 10 women. Next, m1 equal to 15, d1 equal to 20, m2 equal to 10, d2 equal to question mark, m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. So substitute the values, d2 equal to 15 into 20 by 10. Simplify this one, you are going to get 15 to the 30 days. So 4 men and 5 women can finish the work in 30 days. Next question, A can finish a piece of work in 10 days and B can finish the same work in 12 days. How long will they take to finish the work? If both work together, it's not 60th, both work together. Okay, A can finish the work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 12 days. So 1 day work done by A is 1 by 10, 1 day work done by B is 1 by 12. So 1 day work done by both, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12, that is nothing but 11 by 60. So whole work done by both is nothing but 60 by 11. 1 day work done by both is 11 by 60. Whole work done by both is 60 by 11. Here A can finish the work in 10 days. So 1 day work done by A is 1 by 10. B can do the work in 12 days. 1 day work done by B is 1 by 12. 1 day work done by both is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12. That is 11 by 60. So whole work done by both, that is nothing but reciprocal of that 60 by 11. That is nothing but 1 by 11 by 60. 11 by 60 is 60 by 11. So whole work done by both is in 5 by 11 days. Okay. The next question, convert 4 meters 2604 centimeters into centimeters. So 1 meter equal to, we know, 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 4 into 100 plus 2604 centimeters. So 400 plus 2604, that is nothing but 3004 centimeters is the answer. Next question, how many days are there in 2 months, 5 weeks and 18 days? So 2 months, 5 weeks, 18 days. We know, actually we are going to take a month in the sense 30 days. So 2 into 30, week in the sense 7 days, 5 into 7, 18. So 32s are 60, 5 7s are 35 plus 18. That is nothing but 1 month, 3 days. Then Anita started a horse painting at 11:55 a.m. and finished at 12:05 p.m. What the time taken by him to complete the painting? Okay, time interval is nothing but end time minus start time. End time is 12:05, start time is 11:55. So by subtracting this, we are going to get 10 minutes. See the subtraction. If you have any confusion, see this subtraction. 12:05 minus 11:55. So 5:55 subtraction is not possible. That's why I'm taking 1 hour from 12. So 12 will become 11. Then this will become 65 because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus 5, 65 minus 55, that is 10 minutes. In 10 minutes she is going to finish the painting. The next question, how many bottles filled 300 ml capacity from the pot which contain 2.85 meter cube oil? So here we have meter cube. So first we need to convert meter cube into centimeter cube because 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So 2.85 into 100 into 100 into 100, meter into meter into meter, centimeter meter cube. That's why for each meter we need to convert into centimeter. That's why 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, next so 285, 2.85 will become 285, 100 into 100, 10,000. Then this will become the centimeter cube. It converted into centimeter cube, 2 lakhs 28 lakhs 50,000 centimeter cube. Now we know 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Here this is the process to convert a centimeter cube into liters. So 28 lakhs 50,000 by 1000, it will become 2,850 liters or 28 lakhs 50,000 milliliters. Okay, the centimeter cube is nothing but equal to milliliters. Okay, now each bottle contain 300 milliliters. So just divide 28 lakhs 50,000 by 300. You are going to get 9,500. So with the same capacity of the pot 2.85 meter cube, we are going to fill 9,500 bottles of capacity 300 ml. So the next question, this is also very important, how to find the days. The 31st May of a year is Thursday, then the day of the 30th June of the same year will be. So we need to calculate the days first. 31st May to 30 June, we have 30 days. So 30 days divided by 7 is nothing but 4 weeks 2 days. 7 4s are 28. So we have 4 weeks plus 2 days. So 4 weeks in the sense the day 31st May will be a Thursday. So in 4 weeks also it will come Thursday, 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 Thursday only plus 2 days. 2 in the sense add the days, Friday and Saturday. So 30th June will be a Saturday. In this way we are going to calculate the days of the month or year or years also. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.